Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to send a fax from Gmail. Okay, for this tutorial you'll need two things. You'll need a Gmail address and you'll need an account with an online fax service. Now online fax services are paid via monthly fee, but I recommend you start with free account. Free account comes with an online fax number that you can use to receive faxes as well. So if you want to learn more about creating a new account, just go ahead and take a look at the link in the description below. Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to click on Compose. Now, here comes the thing. First, you have to enter the number that you wish to send the fax to. In this case, I'll use a sample number 1-333-222-5555. Now, we need to add the fax domain provided by your online fax service. For this tutorial, I'm going to use as an example efax. So we have to enter at efaxsend.com. If, for example, we're using another provider like MyFax or Ring Central, for example, we would use it here rcfax.com, which is the domain provided by Ring Central Fax. Okay, next we're going to add here in the subject field what we want to go on the cover page. For example, important fax. Now you need to actually attach the fax documents. To do this, you need to click here on the paperclip icon and choose a file that you want to send. Let's say I want to send an image file. I can send a document like this one, for example. Now there are some services that also let you add the cover page contents on the body field, but you have to check this out. Some services require you to have this field actually blank. No, you need to have it blank. Okay, that's pretty much it. Your fax is already set up. To recap, step 1, compose. Step 2, add the fax number. Step 3, add the cover page contents. Step 4, add your actual fax contents. Now you notice here that I have added just one document, but I can add multiple ones. The limit is around 20 megabytes per transmission, so don't go over the limit or else you'll get an error message. Now we simply send the fax. Click send and the fax is on its way. After a couple of minutes, you'll receive a confirmation message letting you know that the fax has actually been successfully received, just like a normal fax. Okay, that's it. It's as easy as that, folks. You don't need any additional equipment. You don't need any additional supplies. Your fax will be totally compatible with legacy fax machines. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out the link below to have to look at the reading instructions for this tutorial and also to find a cool infographic I made about faxing from Gmail. See you!